Hi, this is Tang. Today I will share 4 advantages of our Rotogravure printing machine. First, Ounuo 4.0 Plus adopt a control system with intellectual property rights of Ounuo, integrating tension, color registration, and driving into one. The color matching accuracy between colors can reach plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Second, a stable and reliable inking system ensuring high speed and high quality printing. The dot blade adopts box type structure, achieve precise adjustment and memory in 3 directions. The embossing roller with quick change structure, which can achieve quick order change. In addition, our machine adopts a fully enclosed pen, effectively reducing unorganized emissions. Third, research and develop hot air energy saving system, combined with the design of a semi-suspended driving oven. The energy consumption is reduced by 40 to 60% compared with traditional printing equipment. Fourth, we strictly follow CE standard from equipment safety system design to production and manufacturing processes. More details, please contact us freely. Bye-bye.